Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, Let's go, yo. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Hi guys, we're back. Natarong sa suod. Time check 10:05 sa buntag. Init na. Wala may kitag langgam. Walang goal lang, wala sanctuary. Anak mo, ilang taon na no?
Makawag tang man sa arthritis. Awa ulit to ad ba mo? Arthritis.
Yap tayo na ka.
Yap, wag tang tiyan. Wag tang tanan. Ang arthritis, ilang mamahal na.
Pa yung guys. Dagdag pa siya.
See you guys.
Pero na payo. Ako lang. Hi! Happy birthday, Liza! Pisto naman. Mahit ako na ako. Dito ganahan sa kuwan. Dito ganahan ng ganahan. Laagan.
Edwin kasunod ah. Initar ba?
Kasunod pa kayo.
Athleticism, mga flight PWD. Babangkrap ako. Dagang ipangatay. Ay, inita lugar na eh.
Welcome to Olango Bird Sanctuary.
May langgam na kita mo, boy.
Watch your step. tungo sa birthday sa among batchmate. Sila ni Roel Haralbi, Liza Cardosa, Dwight De Los Reyes, Edwin Olela, kinsa kay kuwang, Daya Amulong, maura siguro. Sorry kung nako nakalimtan. Anyways, padayon ta. We're almost there. Gamay na kuwang. Gamay rang tubig ron. Dili taob. So you can see.
Kalaw. Tikling. Shoot ko na nga po eh. Oh. Anak ka diami yo. Kung luso ta mo daot kinahanglan nata di puyo dinhi everyday ta mo ta.
See you later, guys. Nice. Right. Init na kaayo. Time check. 10:43 sa buntag. Arami sa Bird Sanctuary sa Olango Island. Alright. Nice view. Thanks to the sponsor, Liza Cardosa, Roel Haralbi, Daya Molong, Dwight De Los Reyes. Uy, si Mama Ami day. Thank you, Mama Ami. Shout out sa iyo. Thank you. Oh, and most especially to Madam LV. Nga nabot ko dire. Kung wa pa siya, di ko kabot dire. Salamat, Madam. Di ka mahayan sad. Nice, nice. Pindot ang lugar. Tengis daw. Basan sa tanan dire sa nidre. Olango Island Wildlife Sanctuary with land of international importance. Lah, nalibas kitan. Init na kayo. Nasa basketan. Kita kong basketan diri. Timing laro nga. Unas. Din man.
Ade imo nara diha ang ako dito sa Vicente.
Pila ning paabagan, I don't know pila. Basta pwede ta mag-rent ani. Titoy ta dito. So mao ni siya. So that's it. Masalams. Anyways, please like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sir Mio TV, and press the notification bell for future of my vlog. Masalams. See you.